Dignity and Respect champions are people who live their lives in a way that makes others feel valued. A champion is someone who embraces diversity, embodies compassion, and demonstrates mutual respect.
Being named a Dignity and Respect champion was a surprise, first and foremost, and certainly an honor. I'm certainly humbled to be in pretty amazing company. And it immediately makes you feel like you have to earn the praise that you've been given. So I feel a responsibility to it, for sure.
The principles of dignity and respect play out in my work each day by just being there when people need me, to be a person to lean on, to be a person that they can talk to in confidence, and to be someone who practices the 3 F's, being friendly, being fair, and being forgiving.
I think being a small town girl, I grew up in West Virginia. I'm the youngest of 13. I'm a preacher's kid. I think a lot of that had a lot to do with the person that I am, is how I treat others.
The traits that I admire most in others are kindness, being open-minded, listen to other perspectives, and want to learn about different ways of thinking.
I would say that it's actually really important to acknowledge how folks want to be treated themselves, because not everyone wants to be treated the way I want to be treated. So I think that goes back to listening and being sensitive, and learning more about folks around you.
I think one of the most important things is that just because it's different doesn't make it bad. And what I like to try to explain to people is to just keep your mind open and realize that there's a lot of people in this world that are different than you are.
I think that the principle, again, that I most respect in other people is that people get involved. And if they see something that's being done wrong, that they do something about it.
My favorite of the 30 tips is what I'm probably the worst at, which is listening. My dad always says, God gave you 2 ears and 1 mouth to listen twice as much as you talk.
If you make eye contact and give them a smile, you can change their entire day.
My favorite dignity and respect tip is to just say thank you, because you need to show gratitude to everyone for anything that they do.